going to be drawing and colouring. But before I start, I need to know what I'll be drawing. And to find out that, I have prepared a wheel of 6 items that I could draw. So there's Keidi, a cat, flowers, a rainbow, a playground, or a sunset. So for example, if I choose the playground, then I'll have to include a playground in my picture. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna spin the wheel and I'm gonna wait for it to land on one of them. I wonder which one it's gonna land on. And it landed on the rainbow. Oh, I'm actually excited. I just need to go get my stuff. Okay, and I am back with my big set of colouring pencils and normal pencils too, and a few sheets of A4 paper that I'm going to draw on. Now I'm going to open this magical case. Oh, there's still some drawings in here. And ta-da! Look at all those colours, but you can't see them. Also, this is where I'm going to be doing my drawing and colouring. I have all my pencils over here, and this is the space where I'm going to put my paper, and I'm going to be drawing or colouring here. So I've got my paper and I've also got my pencil, and now I'm going to start thinking of what to draw. Well, obviously it has to include a rainbow in it. Oh wait, I think I know what to do now. So basically I'm going to draw myself here, and then I'm going to be like really happy sliding down a rainbow. I think I've done this kind of drawing before, so I think I know how I should draw it. Before I start, I just want to say that I'm no professional artist, so let's get drawing. First, I'm going to start off by drawing my head. So I'm going to draw my head right here. That was easy. And then the hair will be like, I have some side hair and then some hair at the side. Yeah, I think that looks good enough. And then I'll have my hair like just flowing behind me, because like I'm sliding on a rainbow and it's gonna be like all crazy and stuff. So I'm going to draw it like that. I don't know why I did those like squiggly lines there, but oh well. And then I'm going to draw the face. I've done the face, and now it's time for the body. I've finished drawing me, and now I'm going to move on to drawing the rainbow in the background. And now I'm just drawing the outline of the rainbow, and I'm separating it into 7 different sections for the rainbow colours: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. I accidentally added an extra section at the end, so later I rubbed it out. I also tried to make the lines as even as possible. I wanted them to be the same size. I finished drawing the rainbow with 7 sections for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Now it's time to colour it in. I also have a pot of the rainbow colours I'm going to use. I put them in there so they won't be hard to find. So this is what I've done right now, and it's looking a bit plain on these sides, so I'm just going to finish like the details and stuff. Now that I've finished doing all the little details like the houses at the bottom, because it looked a bit plain down there, and I also decided to add a sun, I'm going to colour them all in now. Now that my drawing is coloured, I'll show you what I drew. So, I drew and coloured myself sliding on a rainbow with all the 7 colours, wearing a purple jumper and trousers, and also I drew some clouds and a smiling sun in the corner. Now it's time for one of my favourite parts. Do you know what it is? Yep, it's the rating time. So I'm going to rate my picture out of 10. So, I think I would rate it like a 9 out of 10 because I really like the rainbow and I really like how I colored it, but like I think I could have stayed in the lines more, like look at the sun, but I think it's really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and share it if you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've been enjoying my videos. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.